Can we record a video during a call in iPhone? It is the main question here. If you are a regular iPhone user and during a call, if you open a camera, that time you will notice that there is no video option given to you because you can't shoot a videos or can't record a videos during or while you are on a call. But in this video, I will show you how to record a video while you are on a call in your iPhone. Yes, it is possible to record a video in iPhone during calls. How to do it? Let's start the video here. But guys, here before there is one request. If you are new here, then please do subscribe because I make videos regarding iPhone tips and tricks and iPhone solutions, and they are very amazing and very helpful as well. Okay, so now getting back to the video, how to record a video while during a call. So very simple trick. Whenever you are on a call, do one thing, open your camera application, and here by default there is no video option given to you, right? So now during a photo option, do one thing, open the photos only, and here just tap and hold the photo or a click icon. Okay, once you do that, automatically after few seconds it will start a video recording, and here to lock the video, just slide to your right. So basically if you see here, if you tap and hold the click button here, automatically your photo will be turning into a video, and slide to right, it will start recording video on your iPhone. So basically during a call you can do this trick and you can record a video as well in your iPhone while you're on a call. Yes, it's very simple trick and you can try it at your iPhone. So guys, that's it. I hope you got this trick. I hope it is a helpful video for you, and if yes, please give a like. Please subscribe for more videos regarding iPhone tips and tricks and iPhone solutions. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care. See you in the next video.